Mishpatim, ideas in the realm of Gematria from the Parshah for the Geulah. This is Article 18 because Mishpatim is the 18th Parshah, starting from Bereshis. There is an interesting word in this Parsha that we do not find anywhere else in the Torah, except in this week's Parsha, which is the word aganot, or aganos, basins, or enlarged bowls. Large bowls in which it actually comes in the word of be'aganos, or be'aganot, in basins, or in large bowls. These are the verses. And he sent the youths of the children of Israel, and they offered up burnt offerings, and they slaughtered peace offerings to the Lord, bulls. Exodus 24, verse 5. And this is the verse that is where the Hebrew word is aganos. Vayikach Moshe chatzi hadam, vayasem ba'aganos, v'chatzi hadam zarak al hamizbeach. And Moses took half the blood and put it into the basins, be'aganos, and half the blood he cast onto the altar. Exodus 24:6. The word aganos, or aganot, as some people pronounce it different ways, has a numerical value of 454, which is the same numerical value of the word tamid, which means always, or perpetual, or even eternal, or for all times. With the word tamid, you can see, within the word tamid, you can see the word miyad, which means right away, or instantly, or immediately. You can even see a similarity in sound and meaning in the English word immediately. Miyad, immediately. The word miyad has a numerical value of 54, which would correspond to the singular version of aganot, which is agan. Aganos, or singular would be agan, which has a numerical value of 54. We only find that word agan in one place in Tanakh, in the Song of Songs. At least when I checked, I did a word search, I only found it once. There might be more, but when I did a word search on Safari, it only came up in one place. It's in the Song of Songs where King Solomon says, Sharech agan ha-sahar, al yechzar hamazeg. Your navel is like a round basin where no mixed wine is lacking. Song of Songs 7:3. Actions that have long-lasting and significant consequences and effects, meaning tamid, meaning the long run, are sometimes caused by very small things that are done quickly in the spur of the moment, and they're done immediately, meaning miyad, tamid miyad. This works for both the positive and the negative. Vice versa, things that can take a long time and a lot of work, care and preparation, can seem to have overnight success, but no one saw just how long it took until that overnight success came along. I mean, someone can work for 20 years and then all of a sudden there's overnight success. No, it wasn't overnight. It was over 20 years. It just appears to everyone else like overnight. To use a wine example, because it was mentioned in the verse of Song of Songs, the effects of a good wine are immediate. It's in taste and its effect. But the vineyard took many years to bring this forth. This, among many other things, can be alluded to in the verse with the word aganot, two basins, aganos, two basins. Tamid and miyad. So tamid equals 454, aganos 454, miyad 54, and agan equals 54. One that represents the immediate, the right away, the right now, and one represents the perpetual, the long run, and the down the road. Have a great Shabbos.